Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to open some packs of Flair Spider-Man. I obtained them and they are quite old, I think. They are from 1997 and this set is of 49 base cards and one checklist. So in total they are 50 cards of them. I will not be able to collect a complete set. I have here 8 packs that I can open. 5 of them are in there, so I will have a maximum of 40 cards. This is 1997 from Flair Skybox International. So I googled it and there are different variations from Spider-Man 1997. This is not the Flair Ultra version, but yeah, let's open them and let's see what kind of cards I can find, and hopefully I can find some real precious cards. Let me see if I can open them. As you understand, these are quite old packs, so let's see how they are. Here we have the first card, Vulture. If I look at the card, they are in quite good condition. Here you see the different kind of information: Vulture, the origin, powers, comic universe. So a lot of information is in this card. I really like that from the 90s, that they contain a lot of information. Yeah, nice to see them. Vulture, Kane, Blood Rose. As far as I understood, in this set there are no inserts. Spider-Man, real nice and real good condition. If I quickly look here, the Spider-Man origin: bitten by a radioactive spider, Peter Parker gained the Carnage abilities. Okay. Yes, deciding to use his new powers responsible, he became the custom crime fighter known as the Spider-Man. Real nice card this. Nice. So they are not bricking, so that is really nice to see them. I don't know if that is typical for this kind of cards, that they are not bricked, but you never know that when you open old packs, if the cards are bricked or not. Maybe I have to get a scissor. Do I have that? I don't have that. Let's see if I can open them without damaging them. Unfortunately, I don't have a scissor with me. Stunner, Homo Carnage, looks like some kind of alien annex. Vulture again, unfortunately, and Kane. So I already have some doubles, unfortunately, but let's see if I can hit some other special cards like Venom or Hulk or Iron Man, Annex, Molten Man. Look at this. Craven's Last Hunt, Milestone, Spider-Man. Yes, I have the checklist. Card number 35. And here you see the checklist. So 1 until 33, and I'm probably... these are the characters, I think, until 33. And then you have a couple of milestones and teams ups and this checklist. really nice. Hawkeye, it's a team-ups, really nice. Really nice, typical 90s art. Now I'm going to the fourth pack. They are not opening that easy, and I don't want to damage the car, so let's see if I can do that carefully. The Demo Goblin, really cool. Look at this, nice card. Iron Man, Daredevil, Stunner again, and Homo Arcanish. I don't know how you pronounce it. So I was lucky to obtain them for a good price. Unfortunately, I have some doubles already, but maybe I can trade them with persons that are interested in it. If you are interested in it, then I'm always open for trading with the doubles that I have. Gambit. Look at this, real nice. Tarantula. Nice. Doppelganger. Nice hit is. Doppelganger. And Nick Fury. He's really angry. Nice to have that. So what I said before, there are in total 50 cards. I'm not able to obtain all the cards because I only have 8 packs. But it's really nice to open them and see that they are not bricked and that they are really looking, well, stunning, that they are really looking good. The quality is very, very good. The corners are great. The borders are great. The conditions are really nice. I really like that. Black Widow. Nice one. So if you can obtain one of those cards, I think it's an interesting set to open that up. So I think it's and you don't have to worry about breaking them because they are very good. Hey, this is the when Peter Parker is bitten by the spider. Nice to have that. Calypso. Shocker. What? In one pack I have 2 shockers. What the heck? How can you do that? So well, I assume that back in those days they were not very good in separating all the cards and put them in the right sleeve, in the right packs, that you don't have the doubles in one pack. Unfortunately for me, but until so far I'm really glad with the quality and the cards that I can add. Unfortunately no Hulk yet, but some spider cards. Carnage. My last card is Carnage. Cool. Cool. Really cool, this one. So at the end I have a lot of cards. I think I saw some Spider-Man, I saw some doubles. At the end I have the Carnage. For the record, this is the Fleer Spider-Man, 5 cards per pack. In total 50 cards. Here you see all the information. I really liked it. I enjoyed it to open those cards. I really liked the quality. They are looking very nice, even that when they are from 97. The corners are sharp. The whole card feels really good. The quality, the information on each card is nice to have that. So yeah, I'm glad to add this to my collection. If you like this video, please like the video, give us a thumbs up. What all the people are saying. please subscribe so that I can continue creating this kind of content. And I will see you next time with another Marvel card video. Thanks for watching.